Go to your favorite browser and search for OBS Studio download. Open the first link and select your operating system to download the OBS Studio. So I'm using Windows PC. I'm clicking on download installer. Once it's successfully downloaded, go ahead and easily install the OBS Studio on your computer. Once it's successfully installed, you get this app. Launch the OBS Studio on your PC. Once you successfully launched OBS Studio, you get this interface. Here, click on Settings. Settings, select Output. Output mode, select Simple. In here, we can see recording path. Click on Browse and select a folder where you want to export your screen records video. So as you can see, my all screen record videos will store in this location. Now, click on recording format and you can select .mp4 and then go to audio settings. In here, under global audio devices, click on mic auxiliary settings and here select your microphone. Then click on apply and OK. Now we will create a new scene. So come to this scene box and click on this plus icon and scene name, I'm typing here screen record and clicking on OK. And now selecting this screen record scene and then come to the sources box. Now we have to add our computer screen and our audios. So click this plus icon and to capture your computer screen, you can select display capture. So the best option is select display capture. Click on OK. And now capture method, select automatic. Display, select your monitor or display. And to record your computer screen with your cursor, check this option and click on OK. And now here we can see our computer screen added. Now we have to add our audio. So click this plus icon under sources. And here we can see audio input capture and audio out capture. First of all, let's add audio input capture. And typing here, this is mic. OK. Click on device and select your current microphone and click on OK. Again, click this plus icon. This time select audio output capture. So this will be our computer speaker. So I'm typing here speaker. Clicking on OK. Now click this device drop down and select your current speakers or output device. Then click on OK. And as you can see, I added my display, my mic and my speaker under this sources box. Now it's time to start our screen recordings. To do that, here just click on start recording and we can see the recording successfully started. Now just minimize the OBS Studio and now you can do whatever you want, and OBS Studio is now recording your computer screen. And now to stop recording, go back to your OBS Studio, click on stop recording and your recording will save. Now to get the video, click on file, click on show recordings and you directly jump into the screen records folder. And here you can just go ahead and find out your recent screen record video date wise. So this is the latest screen record video. So that's how you can actually record our computer screen with audio.